Hi, I'm Trisha with DoMyOwn.com, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of leaf spot in turf grass. Leaf spot is a turf grass disease caused by fungi in your lawn. To monitor for leaf spot, you want to make sure you look for small brown lesions on the grass blades. You can also notice that the spots will increase in size and have purple edges. You may also notice wet, decaying grass near the roots of the grass, which can lead to melting out, which is the second stage of leaf spot. Melting out can affect the crown, sheaths, and structures of the overall plant. You may notice yellow and wilting, and eventually it will die, rotting from the base of the plant. To prevent and treat for leaf spot diseases, it's best to apply preventative fungicide. Diseases are always easier to prevent than cure. While there are options to do both, you want to make sure that you apply when conditions are favorable for the disease to thrive. When applying, you want to apply to the affected areas as well as the surrounding areas to help prevent any spreading. This is also important if you've dealt with turf grass diseases in previous years. If melting out is at the beginning stages, applying a fungicide formulated for leaf spot may provide some curative improvement. If it is advanced, a curative can help limit the spread of melting out to other areas. The disease will leave you with thinned out grass, but you can always reseed after you've completely eliminated it. When treating for diseases, you want to make sure that you rotate your fungicides after every 2 to 3 applications to prevent resistance buildup, as you may be treating throughout the season if conditions continue to be favorable for the diseases to thrive. So read the application instructions on the product label you're using carefully. To prevent leaf spot in your lawn, there are steps you can take to help prevent the conditions that allow it to thrive. You want to avoid overwatering your lawn, which can cause oversaturation, which allows the fungi to develop. You want to avoid any thatch buildup on your lawn and only cut about 2 inches from your lawn each time you mow. Making sure you also fertilize your lawn correctly is important. Over or under fertilizing can cause your grass health to not be optimum, which can allow diseases to thrive. Thanks for watching the video today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for other helpful videos.